Hey traders, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be trading around $28,000 and I'm going to try to get around $5,000 more for my money right here. So here we see we're trading Forexes primarily, and we're going to be taking a look through a few of them right here. So as we see right here, there's a lot of different things happening for a lot of different Forexes. We're going to be trying to take a look through some of the best opportunities we can find. So let's try to look at some of these right here. Some of these seem to be trying to go in a downwards kind of movement right now. I'm not sure if this will sustain for very long. We can see. Let's try to 15 seconds. Potentially we can do a downward sell here, but it's a little bit risky. The reason it's risky is because everything seems to be going in an upwards momentum right here. So it's a little bit risky. So as we see right here, things are going back up a little bit. And we have about a few more seconds left. We're going to see what happens here. Okay, and we did profit. That was a little bit risky, but as we see, things are going back up a little bit now because everything is kind of having a upwards momentum, right? So the momentum generally stays like that for a little while. So it was just a crossover there that was the reason that I did that. So it was a crossover on MACD. Okay, and now let's go to a different trade right here. So this is Australian dollar, US dollar. And right here we see there's an obvious downwards momentum. So if there is an upwards crossover for the MACD, it won't be very substantial. If there's a downwards crossover right here, that will be quite substantial, as you see right here. Okay, so you definitely want to follow the momentum and try to use the MACD in your favor. So right here is it seems to be doing a little bit of upwards momentum. Now it's going back down quite a bit. I was just about to say it just hit about a resistance level right around there. So I wouldn't trade this right now. Potentially if it's due for another downwards crossover, then I might do a sell. That's happening, but let's see what's happening right here. There, it's also look. Okay, once we see a crossover, potentially it could be a good signal. Okay, let's do that sell right there. 15-second sell. Okay, 7 seconds left. Let's see if it crosses below. So as you see, a crossover down here too. We don't want to fight the momentum, so we want to go along with the momentum. So as you see, that was another profitable trade. And now let's go back to the pound yen. Okay, and we see here the momentum is also going downwards, right? And we see this crossover happening right here. Could be going downwards as well. Let's do that sell there. So it's a 15-second sell. Let's see what happens. So as you here, the momentum is still green, so that does make it a risk factor. So I think we'll lose this one. Okay, sure enough, it was a loss. It's fine. Let's try to do a few more trades, see what happens. Okay. See right here, the trajectory, the momentum is downwards for the most part. So if we do see a downwards kind of crossover here, we'll see more substantial downwards movements, generally speaking. I mean, right here, it seems to be more neutral than downwards. So that's a risk factor that is something I wouldn't do. Let's go to US Canadian. Here things seem to be going upwards a little bit. As we see right here, there's an upwards crossover, was quite substantial. Let's go to this currency right here. Things are going downwards very slightly. Huge downwards momentum right here. Momentum is crazy. Nothing solid, I would say. Trade that. Okay, things are going upwards a little bit. The crossover already happened though. Try to find somewhere where the crossover is about to happen, let's say. So right here, things are potentially going downwards a little bit. Let's do a sell. See what happens here. Okay. Okay, so there's a crossover downwards here. As we see, the momentum is more neutral right here, but there is a huge drop, as you see it there. So we're now back at the base level. So I'm just gonna be happy with this profit for the day. So we profited a good amount, around 2,000 actually. And if you do want to trade on pocket option, let's go to becoinnet. And on becoinnet, you can actually get 50% on top of your deposit when you deposit and you enter this promo code right here. So just like pocket option right here, and you can even do forecasts. So if you want to do more swing trading, then you can definitely try to look at the market forecast dashboard, and you can see various things for various different forexes, stocks even, and cryptocurrencies, which is what you're famous for. Okay, and so as a reminder, click pocket option to get 50% on top of your current deposit, and happy trading.